All right, good news for all me travel enthusiasts within at this page. I mean, say you will really want for travel this 2025. This now a very good news for una all. Yeah. So please be a very business-minded somebody before ever you they send me a DM, because I know say after this particular video, a lot of una get for come na me inbox, una get for flood me inbox with a lot of messages. But please make sure say before you send me a message, make you be say you really ready and you really intentional about this particular video, right? So over the years, a lot of people don't they message me, they tell me for I recommend agents for them. Yeah, but as you know, this page I always stand for protect people from them fake agents where they online and they scam people, right? So all along I be done the work underground, I don't the work behind the scene for like able to get some kind legit travel agents where I will able recommend for now. So finally, 6 Alan in TV there so for can reveal to now a very good news, and this particular agent where they can tell now about now agents we I be done the work with for see how credible it be, and I don't work with them since 2024. Are they on this for like able finally bring a camp to the light and bring a camp to una notice say I don't get agents we very reliable. Yeah, 100%. So initially when I started this whole thing, this agent reached out to me. First of all, it be follow me, right? So he reached out to me, say make I recommend them to people and tell people about them, say they do programs and they do legit programs them, yeah? So it been sent to me a lot of proof, but that's not be convincing enough for me, because una know are always there for protect una interest, yeah? So after where it don't send to me all them proof then they, me and to come into contract when I between me and into no more for let it prove himself to me and for like we will finally recommend them to me followers them, yeah? So after we done into this since 2024, finally 2025 we are here, yeah? So initially we started programs for few people in 2024. That is, we started Schengen Visa applications for them particular people there will be reach out to me. I be just select few people for we just do test, yeah? So guys, as I talk to you now, them people here, them visas don't available. Guys, this is really interesting. So like where I reach out to the people and do not believe, because some of them be really skeptical. Even me, I've been skeptical, say they're not gonna get the visas. But guys, finally the visas are out. So as you can see, this is a conversation between me and the agent. As you can see, this is the visas them where he sent to me, and not all the visas there were and not sent to me everything yet. Some still there in this process, because some people been sending documents them very late, and then some people been sending documents them early. So this not just the few we been fortunate for sending documents them early, and to God be the glory, everything went successful. All right, so how it work is that Namina the direct contact, yeah? Namina the guarantor, Namina the guarantee for this particular agent, yeah? And a credible, it don't prove them beyond all reasonable doubt. Now somebody now me into don't be very close, like partners now, yeah? So a very reliable, credible, and also, guys, please, if you interested, just reach out to me, send me a DM. And if you get any question for ask me, just send me a DM. I will respond to you. But please, I say this again, una not can flood me DM with a lot of unnecessary messages. Make sure say before you send me DM, make sure say you're really willing, you're really ready for this program. You know they take a lot. The only thing you need now just your application process fee now you pay. Now just the application process fee. After you pay your application process fee, then everything will start, yeah? Until your visa come out, you know they pay no other money. And when the visa come out, the agent they send to me the visa, now me they verify the visa. After I don't verify the visa and make sure say the visa legit for let you travel, then I will send you the visa and then you go pay the balance payment, yeah? So reach out to me, send a DM to me, make we talk on the terms and conditions and the documents them what you need for send to me. Not so much documents, now just few documents, yeah? Now after the whole process now, you go able to go out for the balance documents. So guys, this is very good news. Please share for me this video, and if you know say you interested, this 2025 at least now will make them a year of glory. Let me turn them around. Let me turn the situation around this 2025. So guys, invite your friends for follow Six Alanin TV. And if you didn't follow Six Alanin TV, you the loss. Follow Six Alanin TV today. And please share this video to your loved ones, your friends, them. Any travel enthusiast where you know say you really want for left that country day this 2025. Share this video with them. And let know your thoughts in the comment section. Good luck to you guys. And shout out to all the one that will be believe in me. All the one that will be send me the documents them, pay their application fees with the faith we then get in me, and now finally them visas done ready. Guys, this is not a very good news. Shout out to una all. I know say una didn't have me inbox right now. Me una don't chat. Me una I know the happiness we una get right now. But all the same, so you know say you want to be happy just like them people and they reach out to me. Reach out to Six Alanin TV. I got you. I see you in the next video.